Here's how you can begin investing in short-term vacation rentals, starting with as little as $100. So instead of traditionally putting down 10 or 20% on a property that you do all the work to find and then spend money to furnish it and rent it out on Airbnb, you can now select a specific property from a list on Here's website to invest in. Here, the company's name is actually called Here, has essentially fractionalized the ownership of short-term vacation rentals, is without a doubt the highest cash flowing asset class in real estate. And I should know, I own 6 of them and they do about $80,000 a month in revenue. On Here's website, when new properties become available, you can get notified via an email, and then you can go evaluate the property and then decide whether or not you want to invest and decide how much you want to invest in them, starting with as little as $100. Right now, they currently have properties available in Sedona, Tucson, and San Diego. And they typically sell out very quickly. So if you guys want to learn more about these specific ones or learn about future properties they come out with, go to here.co/Michael. And make sure to put in your email address so you can stay up to date on future properties that they release for people to invest in.